Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix slow keyboard response on Windows 10 or 11. By following the few simple steps that I show you, now you will be able to fix slow keyboard response on Windows 10 or 11 very easily. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't make any mistakes. By saying that, let's start the video. At first, determine if you are using an inbuilt keyboard or an external one. If it is an external keyboard, then the problem might be with the hardware, especially if it is an old keyboard. And if it is an inbuilt keyboard, then the problem might be related to the device settings or drivers. To deal with this problem, go to the settings on your PC. And make sure that your Windows is updated to the latest version. And here, if you are using external keyboard, then you have to update your keyboard drivers. To update your keyboard drivers, open the device manager. And this type of interface will be shown. And here you can see the option of keyboard. Tap on that. And tap on the right click to update your keyboard driver and tap on update driver. And update all of your driver. And if it is an inbuilt keyboard, then get back to the settings. And here in the search bar, search for filter key. And here, make sure that filter key is disabled because filter key could slow down the keyboard response. And get back to the keyboard sections. And here in the section of keyboard, you can use these various options as well. Like you can use help with keyboard to troubleshoot some of the problems that you are having with your keyboard. So this is how you can fix slow keyboard response on Windows 10 or 11. So my friend, that's it. If you find this video helpful even 1%, consider subscribing and leave a like. I'll be back with another problem solving video like this. Thanks for watching.